In this video, we will see Ekadasi quiz of about 20 questions. Give 1 point for each question. Let's see it. How many Ekadasi or Ekadasis in a month? 2, 1, 3. What is the meaning of Ekadasi? 15, 11, 12. Which Lord is worshipped on Ekadasi? Lord Shiva, Lord Durga, Lord Vishnu. During Shukla Paksha, the moon dash increases, decreases, remains same. Fifth question is Apara Ekadasi. In this, Apara means dash, limitless, sinless, bondless. Which is the first Ekadasi in Hindu calendar? Kamata, Pabamochani or Vaikunta? Bhishma Ekadasi is also called as Vaikunta Ekadasi, Jaya Ekadasi or Putrata Ekadasi. How many Ekadasis in a lunar year? It is not a leap year. 25, 26, 24. In Krishna Paksha, what is the meaning of Krishna? Grey, darkness, brightness. On Ekadasi day, devotees perform donations, prayer, fasting, or above all. If Ekadasi fasting is observed, what should be avoided? Water, grains, fruits. What is the exact meaning of Paksha? Moon, sun, the side. Krishna Paksha means waning of moon, waxing of moon, no waning or waxing. Ekadasi comes on 11th day of solar calendar, 11th day of lunar fortnight, 11th day of every month. When breaking the fast, devotees usually drink tulsi water, lime water or water. Amalaki Ekadasi tells significance of which fruit? Grapes, gooseberry, mango. If this Ekadasi is observed, devotee will be blessed with child. What is the Ekadasi name? Vaikunta Ekadasi, Jaya Ekadasi, Putrata Ekadasi. Story of Ekadasi was explained by Lord Krishna to whom? Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Sahadeva. Which mantra is so special to chant on Ekadasi day? Which door is open in temples during Vaikunta Ekadasi? In just 3 seconds, we will see the answers. There are 2 Ekadasis in a month. Meaning of Ekadasi is number 11. Lord Vishnu is worshipped on Ekadasi. During Shukla Paksha, the moon increases. The meaning of Apara is limitless. Kamata Ekadasi is the first Ekadasi in Hindu calendar. Bhishma Ekadasi is also called as Jaya Ekadasi. There are 24 Ekadasis in a lunar year as there are 2 per month. The meaning of Krishna in Krishna Paksha is darkness. On Ekadasi day, devotees perform donations, prayer and fasting. So above all is the answer. If Ekadasi fasting is observed, grain should be avoided. Exact meaning of Paksha is the side. It refers here the side of the moon. Krishna Paksha means waning of moon or decreasing of moon. Ekadasi comes on 11th day of lunar fortnight. There are 2 fortnights, one is Shukla Paksha, another one is Krishna Paksha. When breaking the fast, devotees usually drink tulsi water. That is the procedure of breaking the fast. Amalaki Ekadasi tells the significance of gooseberry fruit. Gooseberry refers to Amla in Sanskrit. If Putrata Ekadasi is observed, devotee will be blessed with child. Here Putra refers to son or child. Story of Ekadasi was explained by Lord Krishna to King Yudhishthira. Which mantra is so auspicious or special to chant on Ekadasi day? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Which door is open in temples during Vaikunta Ekadasi? Vaikunta Dwaram or door? Just log your points in the comment section. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.